you're the earth. If you leave me, I could die. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. Oh, yeah. Your loving me, totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your body. Your body, they back up with she. Open up, make I see. You're my love quantity. If you make a bad man sing,
So guys, today's hair is from Luvme hair. As you guys can see, I love the color of this box, you guys. It's so cute. You guys, I can smell the hair already. I can smell it. It has this sort of like bleach smell. You know when you bleach hair, it has that scent in it. So I'm guessing it was probably bleached already for me, but we'll see very soon. So the box has a couple of things in it as usual. This is one of my favorite part, guys. There's a note. Enjoy your hair journey from now on. That's from Helena, the founder of Luvme hair. That's really cute. Thanks, Helena. This is nice. Wig cap, you guys, as usual. We got some wig cap here. It's got some leaflets in this. I guess like how to take care of your wig, how to use your wig, frequently asked questions about the products, you know, all that stuff. All in here. Things you need to know about breast cancer. So this is like a breast cancer awareness leaflet, which is quite nice as well. You also get educated, which is cool. You guys can see this company cares about you guys and cares about the health of other people, which is different. You don't really see other wig companies doing that, so that's a bonus. There was this really cute bag in the box as well, you guys, and I love it. It's like a little pencil case. I haven't seen one of those since I was in high school, which is crazy. So cute. In this case, or in this bag, it has got a couple of things actually. Okay, so it's got this edges brush, which is amazing because I needed a new one, so thank you so much. It's got this really cute hairpin as well, which is so nice. I really like that. Some hairpins or bobby pins or whatever you call it, but some cute hairpins. A nice tweezer. They've got this, I guess it's a strap you can add on your wig to make it more adjustable. And finally, they've got this. I guess it's like a, I don't know what it is. Let me just open it. I needed one of those. You know when you want to lay your edges or maybe lay your wig to go to sleep, you know, all that good stuff. And they've got you, which is amazing. I'm really happy for this, guys. So that's all that was in this box. This is great, and they made me so happy. They've got so many little accessories to keep you going, and before you even put your wig on, you're already really happy. So this is good. Okay, now for the best part, the wig. Let's open it up. Guys, they've got more stuff in here. Again, another one if you want to adjust your wig. If your wig is too loose, you can clip it on and make it tighter. So I guess this is what it's for. They thought about you guys with big heads and little heads, okay? Okay, so the wig itself, I can really see that it's giving me scalpiana. Look at that, you guys. Like I can see how natural it's looking already, and I haven't even taken the hairnet off. Okay, so let's do that. So this is the Water Wave 13x4 frontal lace wig, and the lace is actually undetectable invisible lace. As you guys can see, it's very invisible, like you can barely see it on my hand. It blends in so well. And of course, the lace is real HD lace. It just melts super quick and it's really invisible. Like, guys, just look at that. This hair is 20 inches And once I install this, you guys will see how long it is on me. It's very full. I love how full and thick it feels, even though the curls are still kind of stuck together. The hair feels really good quality. It feels very soft, and I'm also not getting any shedding at the minute. So just like most wigs, this one has got 2 clips on each side. It's got one at the back and one in the middle. It's also got those straps that you can use to adjust the wig. You know, if it's too tight or too loose, you've got this. And this that I showed you guys earlier is actually for this. So you can actually clip it right here. Again, for more security, which is really cool. So yeah, guys, I love that. And you've also got these. You can loosen it if it's too tight. Yeah, so you got a lot of options to make this wig really secure. Like, this wig is not going anywhere if you know how to use these things. So guys, you can see that the lace has been pre-plucked already, so the hairline looks super natural. And you can also see that the roots look very natural. It almost looks like it's been bleached. Like I told you guys earlier, I could smell like a little bleach scent, so it probably did get bleached. So this is really cool. The job is done for you guys. You don't have to do anything at all. All you gotta do is stick this on, which is super cool, and we're gonna do that very soon. So if you like what you see so far, with my code MarieR, you can get yourself some discount, some money off. You can get yourself 20% off on this hair right here. So without even doing anything, just putting the lace on, it looks so good, so melted on my skin already. I don't have to do anything, honestly. I don't have to add any foundation, nothing. It just looks so clean, which I love.
I'll leave it at you. Yeah, and there's one thing I can't believe, girl. No matter where you're I won't run back.
So now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and quickly install this wig, and we're gonna see what it looks like when it's on. So let's do that.
I'm falling, you be the reason. I know the feel, think you a girl at the craze. Die for your love, any man who could try me won't find a cool, I swear on my grave. Come on baby girl, make a hold ya. Be a bodyguard, be a soldier. Fly in the sky, shop what you want. Me and you go pool in the rover. When you man I'm a theater. But them boys I'm a piano. Coming home I'm a near her. Or the home no man I'm a twatto. Make sure your touches can't give massage. They say I be player, this no go last. The life on my top when they paint me black. Banning in the chin, sure they come about.
Cause that's it, you ginger me. Ginger me. That's it, you ginger me. I said that's it, you ginger me. Ginger me.
So guys, as you can all see, this is the hair installed without me doing any baby hairs or anything. I just put them back so you guys can really appreciate how melted it looks. As you guys can see, the hairline looks so natural. Look at that. And guys, I didn't do anything. This is how the wig came. It's so good. I'm really impressed.
Rising me confused with you at the brag. I swear I know good you.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and create some baby hairs and then just style this.
Nobody fix your place, never see your typo, nah. The baby they connect you like Wi-Fi. Plan for your man, bend for your man. We'll be same again, no boy yanka. Mama 360 back then front. Even if I sati, I say one more. Can't have enough of you, girl. I'm in love. I will give you my heart, golden bronze.
Cause that's it, you ginger me. Ginger me. That's it, you ginger me. I said that's it, you ginger me. Ginger me. That's it, you ginger me. Cause that's it, you ginger me. Ginger me. That's it, you ginger me. I said that's it, you ginger me. Ginger me. That's it, you ginger me.
were fake.
Finally,
That's records.
yeah. Baby say she there for me. Baby, show me how to live without you, girl. Cause when you're not there, I cannot live without you. Yeah, yeah. And there's one thing I can't believe, girl. No matter where you're there, I won't run back to you. Cause that you do, you ginger me. Ginger me. That you do, you ginger me, I said that you do, you ginger me. Ginger me. That you do, you ginger me,
Yeah, I'm falling. You be the reason I know the feel. Think you a girl at the craze. Die for your love. Any man who could try me won't find a cool. I swear on my grave. Come on, baby girl, make a hold ya. Be a bodyguard, be a soldier. Blind the sky.
So guys, as you can all see, I finished installing this wig on and I'm loving it so much. I'm especially loving this Undetectable HD lace. It's really good, and as you guys can see, it's melted. Like, what lace, you guys. I know I've said what lace before, but this one is the real deal. The lace was super easy to glue on and I didn't have to do too much, like zero effort, you guys. I didn't even add foundation, bleach the knots, pluck. I didn't do anything. This is how the wig came and I love that. I really appreciate that. You can add some water to define the curls if you like, but I just left it like this because I really like the style and I also love how full it looks. I don't want to talk too much. You guys can see how beautiful this wig looks. A good thing sells itself. So if you guys want to get one of these, which I recommend, you should definitely invest in this and get yourself one of this, because I'm not gonna lie, this is by far the best wig I've had in a long time. So if you want to get yourself one of the best wigs, then I will leave all the details, the link and all that in the description box. And also with my code Marie R, you can get yourself 20% off, which is a bargain. So make sure you don't miss out on this amazing deal. Talking about deals, you guys know Black Friday is just around the corner. We're in November and Luvme Hair is having a Black Friday sale. The sale started in November and it's gonna last for at least 2 weeks or a bit more. So you need to hurry up and get yourself some good deals. They have amazing quality wigs starting at very low prices, below £50, which is amazing. They also update all their sales daily. So if you go on it every day, you'll have different sales, different wigs, different amazing products, which is awesome. And you don't need codes for those sales, but don't forget you can also use my code Marie R and get yourself some 20% off, especially for this beautiful hair. You don't have to wait till Black Friday to get these sales. It started right now, so make sure you go on there right now and get it. Don't miss this because it's so amazing. All the details will be in the description box, so please guys go ahead and check it out. So guys, we've reached the end of this video. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, if you like the hair, all that good stuff. And if you did buy it, then please just reach out and let me know as well. It'll mean so much to me. If you're new to this channel, my name is Marie-Reine. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.